Hello everyone, myself Bhumi Patel, Assistant Professor at LG Institute of Engineering and Technology in Department of Electronics and Communication. Today we will going to discuss about the types of control panel, unit number 2, control panel. So first of all, the requirements of the control panel. First requirement is the reduction in size of individual instrument. We have different instrument in same control panel, so we can reduce the size. It is the first requirement of the control panel. The next requirement is increase quantity of instrument for which a single operator is responsible, and the third requirement is the availability of new hardware. If in same control panel we have to include or add some new hardware, so there is a space always available for the same control panel. So these are the requirement of the control panel. Now next one is the control panel. Here you have seen in the last session, it is a large case instrument permitted only a few instruments in a relatively large panel area. In your book this type of control panel is given. This is the controlling command of the controlling panel. So this is the front layout of the control panel. Now next one is the control panel layout. So this type of control panel layout shown in the field area. This is the different type of instrument connected in the control panel. So here you can see that this is the back side area of the control panel. Here you see that 4 instrument is connected, and one section, one rack is for only wiring and tubing section. So this is the back size of control panel layout. It is mostly seen in this field area. Now next one is the control panel types. We have control panel. The first type of the control panel is flat face type. Generally in the control panel, this type of control panel is used. The second type of control panel is brake front type of control panel, and the third type of control panel is console. Now in the flat face control panel, it is also subdivided into 3 parts. First one is the turn back type control panel. The next one is angle frame type control panels, and the third one is angle frame modular design. So this is the subtype of the flat face type control panel. Now console have again 2 types of control panel. First one is the DEX type of control panel, and the second one is the custom type of control panel. So this is the types of the control panel. So first of all, turn back design. So every control panel have some specific dimension. So in turn back design we have used 10 gauge steel diagram, and a common thickness of the turn back construction is a 10 gauge steel. Now the turn back control panel is 2-inch turn back, and the construction of the turn back design is simple and economical design. Now the fabrication part of this, we have 2 to 4 feet wide, 6 to 8 feet height for the turn back design control panel, and 18 to 16 inch depth for the turn back design. Now turn back design is often mounted on a 6-inch constant cup or steel channel base with a independent bracing of the top of the panel. Now bracing member in the turn back design serve as a additional function for the tubing support. The turn back design is used for simple gauge panel, for direct connected large case recorder and controller, and for the small group of local instruments. So this is the design for the turn back control panel. So here you can see that this is the diagram of the flat control panel. Here you can see that we can put different type of controller. FIC means flow indicator controller, LIC means level indicator controller, PIC means pressure indicator controller, and TIC means temperature indicator controller. Here some space is provided for the future application, and here one number is given 204 and 205. So this is the tag number of this system, and this control panel is all used for elevation purpose. So this type of control panel is known as the flat control panel. Now next diagram is flat face panel. In your syllabus, in your book, this type of control panel is given. So this is the flat face panel, turn back design, and the construction is simple and economical. Here you can see that this is the controlling device, and this is our operator device, monitoring device. So this is the flat face turn back design. Now the next types of control panel is open angle frame type control panel. In open angle frame type control panel, the framework of open angle frame is self-supporting and made of 3/16 or 1/4 inch steel plate with 2-inch turn back. Now open angle iron frame extending from 22 to 36 inch to the rear of the panel face. Now width of the open angle frame vary with the application of the instrument. So there is no fixed data of the weight in open angle frame. Now height of the open angle frame is 7 feet 6 inches, and it is used for the small unit. The panel face with its 2-inch turn back serve as the front frame, and it is 1/4 inch angle iron used for the open frame on the rear of the panel. Now the application of open angle frame, so it is used in the small unit where there is no requirement for the top of ending closing. So this is the open angle frame control panel. Now third type of control panel is angle frame and close design. Now the difference from the open frame type is just described is the attachment of enclosing section on the sides, top and the rear panel of the system. Now the height of the angle frame and close design is 7 to 8 feet. The depth is 30 each and the width is 4 foot. Now the complete group of panel is usually mounted on stands with the panel bottom end or the rear floor level. Now it is used at the present time, means here it is adapted to all type of instrument used in the present type, electronics or pneumatic or hydraulic or single and multi-class with their varying space requirement. So it is suitable in nowadays. Now provision can be easily made for this design, so the panel front can be removable. So it is a very useful control panel in present time. It has a many advantages compared to the angle frame and flat face control panel. In earlier flat face control panel is used, and at present type angle frame and close design is used. Now this is the diagram of brake front control panel. Here you can see that also it is the diagram for elevation drawing. We can see the elevation drawing for the flat face control panel. This is the elevation drawing for brake front control panel. You can see here the annunciator or semi-graphic is connected here. This is the controlling device or controlling desk for the operator, and this is the monitoring screen of the operator. You can connect here CRO, CRT, which you can collect the waveform or output data. This is the controlling device, means here you can connect the pressure indicator controller or pressure controller, level indicator controller or level controller, temperature controller, flow controller, means whatever the controlling device it is connected this person. So this is the diagram for brake front control panel. Now the front of the brake front control panel is 1.5 multiply with 1.5 multiply with 1/4 inch. Now the lower area of the brake front is 3/16 or 1/4 inch, and the center is 10 gauge steel, and the top is also brake front is 10 gauge steel, and height of the brake front control panel is usually 6 to 7 feet, and width of the brake front panel is 4 to 6 feet, and it is best suitable for electronic instrument. Now the front panel batch brake should be removable, so we can remove the front panel of the brake front panel. 2 full doors should be provided in this panel, so we can remove or exchange the door size using this control panel. It is best suitable to electronics instrument, also it is used for pneumatic as well as hydraulic instrument. Now the instrument internal of the either type must be removed from the front area of the panel. It is best suitable for push button switch and pilot light because it is connected in the brake front area of the panel. Now the third type of the control panel is console. Now what is console? So this is the field area diagram of the console. You can see that this is our monitor device. It is also called the monitor. This is the reading devices. In these devices we can read out the output value, and this button is for the controlling purpose. So console is the last type of control panel. Now the definition of console is a panel or desk on which are mounted dials, switches and other instruments used in centrally controlling electrical and mechanical devices. Whatever controlling devices is connected in the control panel, that controlling devices is known as the console. Here there are two types of console in the control panel. First one is the desk type and the second one is the custom type. Now the first type is desk type control panel. So design are a low console profile and a wire or cable for electrical lead. So this is the design for desk type console. Now used in multi-point readout system. This type of control panel assembly and fabricated is used for multi-point readout system for temperature, pressure, level, flow, and it may be monitored through a single point. It utilizes a switching matrix for individual point selection, and it is convenient location for communication equipment, and the desk area allow working room for the desk type duties. So this is the desk type console. The next one is the custom type console. It is able to observe the status of the key value. The operator have key data digitally display on CRT on the console and are able to observe the status of the key values and the circuits breaker on the active graphic panel. Now process loop is generally used in the custom type The construction of the custom ties is steel, and it is used for analog recorder, controller, indicators for the important process loop, and the entry of the custom type under the floor, and it is used for connecting cables. Now the control panel of quick drying washing machine. Here just one example is given for the where the control panel is used. So we can use in the washing machine function for the control panel. So here different function is given: cotton, synthetic, drain, wool, super wash, super speed, quick wash. So different controlling purpose a washing machine is used. So in the washing machine we can controlling the temperature, spin, other option. We can also control the water flow. So in the washing machine this is the controlling panel, and we can use the control panel for the washing machine area. Now the next topic is comparison of control panel. It is the most important topic for the GTU. So different types of control panel is used. What is the difference between them? So flat face control panel is most economical. Open angle control panel is most expensive compared to flat face control panel, and angle frame control panel is more costly than open angle type control panel. Brake front is also more costly, and console is used for only the special application. The cost of the console is also high. So flat faced is most economical control panel. If we can use the control panel for local area, then we can use the flat face control panel. In open angle equipment is accessible, and in angle frame most acceptable for modern control system, and the brake front panel is only used for complicated design. If we can use the simple design in control panel, we are prefer to flat face or open angle control panel. Now in flat face it is a readily accessible, and open angle it is not used only local control but also for central control room, and in brake front it is more difficult to maintain, and the console is well suitable for concentration of critical loops that need the close monitoring. And open angle is functional, means different function we can use in the same control panel, and brake front panel the space is less. Okay, so most economical control panel is flat face. If we use the special application control panel, we can prefer the console. If we can design the central control room control panel, so we can prefer the open angle control panel. And if we modify the central control room, so we can use the angle frame control panel. Okay, and if we can use the closed loop as well as the open loop and the cascade loop, means we have used the multiple loop in the same control panel, we can prefer the console of the control panel. So here you can see the comparison of the control panel. Brake front is also used, but the maintenance of the brake front is more compared to the other panels, and the space of the brake front control panel also less, because if we want to add some control panel instrument in the next future application, we cannot add in the brake front control panel. We can add in the angle frame modular design, open angle and console. So this is the basic comparison of control panel. Thank you everyone. If anyone have doubt, then contact me in this email ID.